all. You'll be surprised why am I in the terrace. So every day you know that I'll be uploading my workout videos. So I don't think so all age people can do that. Maybe kids or maybe the people who are like used with it can do. But today what trick and tip I'm telling you is useful for everyone. So this technique is called as infinity walk, or it's called as walk in 8. So here this is the 8 structure which is drawn in the terrace. We have many of like this. So walk in this 8. So first you need to go for 15 minutes clockwise and 15 minutes anti-clockwise. So this I will while I walk I will explain you like how to draw this and the benefits of the figure 8 walking or infinity walk. So now I will be starting the clockwise walking. So you can create the 8 shape preferably in the open area, say your garden or your terrace or any place where you get pure oxygen, as well as you also will be practicing your breathing while walking. So it is a waste if you practice it in a polluted environment. So walking also you feel the same thing, right? You will go for a walk where there is a pleasing environment, right? So same in this case as well. So if you don't have any such place area, then you can try in the living room area. So initially at the end I've attached the picture because I'm not trying with the living area. It's very comfortable in the terrace. I hope most of the people will have terrace. If you don't have terrace, then of course you can try it in the courtyard. So make sure you get fresh air and get maximum benefits while doing this walk. So here what exactly you're supposed to do is you need to go with the two circles. So the diameter of the circle will be 6 centimeter and radius will be 3 centimeter. That's all. Take a point using a rope. One person can hold the rope and the other person can hold the chalk in the other end and can make the circle. So the diameter, basically you should make a circle with 3 centimeter. So diameter in total when you calculate it will be 6 centimeter. So the next also will be the same thing. So when you join both the circle it will be 12 feet. So you're right, 12 feet. Actually I have done using centimeters. You can try with the 12 feet also. Actually I am telling in the smaller way. Here since the picture and all is giving you in the feet wise, so you can measure it is very easy using feet as well. This once you do, right, you can use it for lifelong actually, because some traces will be there, so you can use any point of time. This is very beneficial. Just enjoy the music and try walking, because always when walking we need to concentrate, not talking. Now I have done for clockwise. Now again 15 minutes I will be doing in the anti-clockwise direction. So when I tell about benefits, so as you walk in south and north direction towards and against the earth's magnetic field, your body will absorb energy and activate all the chakras of all normal functioning of hormones and organs. So since you walk in 8-shaped pattern, all your body parts experience a twist and turn movement, thus activating them and making your body flexible. So walking on barefoot gives the pressure to the acupuncture points, thus activating it. So along with that, the much important thing is it will concentrate. It will help in improving the concentration. So it is very beneficial for kids as well. Maybe in the forthcoming video I'll be showing about the twisters. After that, maybe the same 8 walking I'll be showing the benefits of improving the concentration on kids. So here what happens is the 8 walk clearly actually clears the stiffy nose as well. When you breathe, if you have some problem, that is what it is going to make you free. So you will have the phlegm near the windpipe, right? So that also will be cleared because of this. And I hope most of the people will have constipations. This is very effective for that. Even headache which is caused due to cold, that also will reduce. Even thyroid. And the people, of course, youngsters, young girls, or even old girls, old ladies, women, everyone wanted nice figure, right? So this is going to give you a nice shape near the hip area. So not only always when you are tired of working out, so this is one of the option. So but you should be regular. So maybe if you're going with 15, 50, 30 minutes of walk along with your friends without talking, when your friends are around, you will be enjoying it. So do try it and tell me. So if you are doing it continuously for 1 year, you will feel the results. So, and also you can see it is very good for diabetic patients. So diabetic patients, actually they cannot walk barefoot anywhere, so this will help them in walking, as well as very less time. They will be tired also, very less time. So making see this, you see, this is how you can make the 2 chairs in your hall. You can keep it and you can walk. I'm done with the walking for 15 minutes in the clockwise and 15 minutes in the anti-clockwise. So if you're doing it in the morning or evening, you can do it for 30 minutes. But I have done, it is in between. The time is actually in between 4 to 5. So that's the reason I have done only 15 minutes. So this way. So it's beneficial. I have informed you all the beneficial results of this. Do try this and comment on my channel. Bye. Please subscribe. So this is the twister. Actually, this also is very good for our workout. So I will be explaining the uses of this and how to get the benefits from using the twisters at home when you have no time. When you are involving yourself in, maybe when you are watching TV, how can you work out along with this? This you will be watching in my next video. So next Monday I will be showing the uses of this. So this is also having the acupunctural effects on it. So when I show you closer, you will be able to understand that. So this is going to give you the beneficial results of acupuncture as well. So this is much effective. I think even this kids or all aged people can also try, even if they cannot work out, and if they just stand on it, the acupunctural effect they will be getting. So catch you all with the twisters in the next week. Bye.